What's up, peeps? It's me again, and I'm back for another video regarding CryptoBlades. So this time I am going to show you on how are we going to transfer weapons from one account to the other. So if you really want to learn more about it, I suggest that you should watch this video until the end. Okay guys, so if you really want to try out CryptoBlades, all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at CryptoBlades.io. So it's a play-to-earn blockchain NFT game on the Binance Smart Chain. So before we get started, please take note that cryptocurrencies and play-to-earn blockchain NFT games have substantial risk, okay? So this is not a financial or investment advice, okay? So I am not paid, sponsored, or endorsing this game. So always do your own research, invest an amount that you can afford to lose, and manage your risks very well, okay? So let's get started with this video, okay? This is just for educational purposes, guys. So right now, guys, I'm going to show you how I transfer this weapon to another account, okay? So if you are confused on how are you going to do that, this video is for you. So you can see right here, so this is the weapon contract address right here on BSC Scan. So I have provided this link right here on my YouTube description. So first things first, guys, we have to click connect to Web3, okay? And then we choose MetaMask, okay? So there is a pop-up saying like this, and click OK. And then we scroll down right here. So you can see right here, guys, there are two safe transfer from, okay? That's number 18 and number 19. But we have to focus on number 18, okay? This is how we transfer. If we go back right here on CryptoBlades, okay? So I am going to transfer this weapon. So take note of the ID number 422997. Okay, so you have to open the notepad. Okay, guys, so what do we need right here? First, you need to copy and paste the address of the sender, the address of the receiver, and the ID number of the weapon that you want to transfer. Okay, so for instance, of course, this is my account. Okay, so I am going to transfer this to another account. So I have already copied the sender address, okay, which is this account, okay. You can see right here on MetaMask, okay. This one is the sender, so I have to copy this, and then I am going to paste it right here. And for the receiver address, make sure that you double check it, okay? So you want to transfer it to another account. So for instance, of course, this is my another CryptoBlades account, okay? I am going to paste it right here. So take note, guys, that this one is the sender address and this one is the receiver address. Okay, so I have pasted it. And also the token ID, of course, let's take note of that, 422997. So I have already done that, 422997. So let's review, guys, okay? This one is the sender's address. This one is the address of the receiver. And this one is the item number of the weapon that you want to transfer to the other account. So once we do that, we click right, and then my MetaMask will appear. So I click confirm. And then we have to wait for the transaction to be completed.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it looks like the transaction was completed. Let's refresh this one, guys, okay? So expect that this one will disappear in this account. Okay, so I refresh. So you can see right here, guys, that weapon was gone. So all I have to do is to go to my other account where I have received that weapon. I'm going to do that right now. So I have to transfer it. Here we go. And you see right here, guys, okay? So I have successfully transferred my weapon to this account. If you want to try CryptoBlades, just simply go to their official website at CryptoBlades.io. So once again, before you play this game, take note that cryptocurrency and pay-to-earn blockchain NFT games have substantial risk. This is not a financial or investment advice. So this is not a paid or sponsored video. I am not endorsing this game. So always do your own research, invest an amount that you can afford to lose, and manage your risks very well. So the purpose of this video is only for educational purposes, just like what I have shown you right here in this video. Okay guys, so at least I have shared to you on how we transfer our weapons from one account to the other right here on CryptoBlades. I hope that you've learned something from me in this video. Thank you all for watching, by the way. Kindly don't hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your crypto, blockchain, DeFi, NFT, and blockchain gamers out there. And I would like to invite you all to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for you to stay notified about my latest videos regarding cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, NFTs, and blockchain games. And you can follow my social media channels right here or in my YouTube description. Okay guys, so from my freaking home studio, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury, and see you all on my next video.